Yes, we all are hearing about the use of AI nowadays. So, we thought about trying this and ask one simple, but really important question. How to make happy an American wife? We were curious to know something interesting and we got this answer. Every person has their own unique needs and desires, so it's impossible to say for certain what will make any one individual happy. However, some general things that may help to make a partner happy include showing them love and affection regularly, communicating openly and honestly with them, being supportive of their goals and dreams, helping out with household and/or childcare duties, showing appreciation and gratitude for the things they do, being willing to compromise and work through conflicts. It's also important to remember that people's needs and desires can change over time, so it's important to be open to feedback and willing to make adjustments in order to maintain a happy relationship.